How to export an MP4 in Premiere Pro. Have the clip that you want to export in your timeline. Make sure you set your in and out points in the timeline. Then go to File, Export, Media, or press the keyboard shortcut Command M on a Mac or Control M on a Windows computer. The export settings will appear, and you want to go to the Format tab and change the format to H.264, which is the codec for MP4s. Then in the Preset tab, go down to More Presets. The Preset Manager window will appear. In the search bar, type in High Bitrate and select Match Source High Bitrate. Then press OK. Choose your location where you want this file to be exported to. I'm going to send this to my Downloads folder. Press Export. Then the Export tab will appear, and when your media has exported, it will appear in your desired location. And this is how you export an MP4 in Premiere Pro. And for a bonus tip, try our new Premiere Pro template. Our Premiere Pro digital content creator template is an essential template that empowers users with a seamless editing experience. Our pre-built sequences and export settings are designed for content creators aspiring to produce captivating videos for YouTube, Vimeo, Rumble, Twitch, and beyond. Get 50% off the Premiere Pro digital content creator template now for a limited time. Use promo code SSC50. The link to our website is in the description below.